Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richly on a Budget. Today we're going to make Dalgona Coffee. Dalgona Coffee is a whipped coffee drink that tastes like a fancy coffee drink from a coffee shop. It uses just a few ingredients like instant coffee, hot water, sugar, and milk. So let's get started. So the recipe is 2-2-2, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. And it has to be instant coffee because it has an ingredient in it that helps it whip up like whipped cream. Then we're going to add in hot water, and it has to be boiling hot water so that it can dissolve the instant coffee. And then I'm just going to stir it to dissolve. I like to use a hand mixer over a stand mixer because it works better. The Dalgona coffee will fluff up faster with a hand mixer, maybe because I could tilt the bowl when I'm mixing. Start on a lower speed to incorporate all the ingredients. Then turn up the speed to help it whip up better and to get that creamy consistency that we're looking for. And don't be afraid to stop the hand mixer to scrape down the sides from time to time. Sometimes the sugar gets stuck on the other sides of the bowl and you'll want to scrape it down. And we're going to continue mixing, and as you can see, the color's already changed to a tan brown. At this point, we're going to keep going just a little bit further and keep mixing, and you see that it gets even lighter in color. And when I stop, you see we have stiff peaks, and that's when you know you're done. Next, we're going to fill a cup or glass with milk. You can use any milk you like, even non-dairy. And you can add ice if you'd like also. And you can use either hot or cold milk. Both will work. Finally, we're going to spoon in the Dalgona coffee mixture. I like to use an ice cream scoop because it's faster, but you can use a spoon too. And look at how creamy it is. It's creamy, like the consistency of whipped cream without having any cream in the ingredients. And it looks kind of like melted coffee ice cream. It's interesting how the science of this works. We're just whipping instant coffee with sugar and hot water, and it became creamy and fluffy. Are you ready to try this yet? So good. So I have a tip. If you want to take pictures of this, use the whisk attachment of the mixer and just twist it on top, and it'll give it like a little peak so it'll look interesting in pictures. Now it's picture ready and ready to be enjoyed. So when you drink this, you have that fluffy Dalgona coffee mixture on top of the milk, and just mix it together to combine it so that it balances out the flavor, because the Dalgona mixture is going to be very strong by itself. And you'll want the combination of the coffee mixture and the milk to make it taste better. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, check out my other Dalgona drinks like the Dalgona matcha green tea drink and the Dalgona chai. See you next time. Bye.